Right, now we are on to the next section, which is our document. So this is the back end part where you're going to upload all of your, permission slips, your newsletters. If you have account information that you want up there that you want parents to fill out, it's all going to go in here. What I ask is that you don't use Microsoft Word files, but rather PDFs. If somebody gets a hold of a file and changes it and then puts it out there on social media and people are editing it, it could cause all kinds of problems for you. So go ahead and use a PDF file. Here's where you'll find where documents goes on the front end and right here. I ask that because there's so many documents that a site might have that you break them up into folders. There is one document here for our vacancy, but I'm getting ready to move that hopefully soon. Here you can see that we have URLs. And this is how you would set up to link your pages on the website portion of this. And we'll go into that later. But if you have a file, you can simply click on Upload Files, pick the one you want. It's a PDF. I don't have any, oh, I do have a PDF. So right there, you would hit open, it will upload. You can organize it by moving the crosshairs, and you can delete it if you don't like it. You can change the name of the document by clicking that little pencil tab right there. And then you can also, let's say that you found a mistake in a document. You don't want to change the link, but you want to change the file. So if you were to hit browse and find the new document that you had uploaded, then you would select it again, hit open, and it will replace the form that was wrong or that needed revision. Then when you're done, you just simply hit update and you're good to go, and you won't have to change anything on the back end. This part of it is pretty simple. So that is how you add documents. Gallery, let's go to our gallery. The gallery is this part right here on the website. When you first open up the web page, and you'll see that there are different images right here. So that is the gallery, and you'll see here we have photos. You have a limit. We're nowhere near our limit yet, so that's a good thing. I ask that you don't put so many that all you see up here are dots all the way across. Keep it fresh, update it, every other week or every week if you can, if it's possible, with fun and engaging photos that your students and staff have taken. Make sure they all have media releases before you put it out, or internet user forms signed out. That is how you do the gallery. You can add photos by clicking there, hitting browse, and selecting the photo of your choice. You will also go in there, and if you don't want it anymore, simply click the delete button and it will take it away. And that's all we have for the gallery. Bulletin board, this is the last part before we get into the actual web page part of it. The bulletin board is this area right here. And when we do the new website, it will be down here on the bottom. But if you see bulletin board, you can go in there and change it. We can add information, icons, things that we want our parents to know right at the top without having to search it under the menu or searching it down in our news section. So the bulletin board is just really good access. You can also see that some of the schools still have our bond information. They have a celebrating 50. Let's see what Crosby Park still has our Lawton can. So these can be changed, and they need to be changed to keep it fresh for your parents. If you hit edit, you can see that I just have quick links. If I wanted to put a logo, I could simply by clicking image and adding my logo. And here are just links to the documents, the ones that I just told you. You can see right here. If you hit edit, it's got this short code. Well, I got that short code from documents, clicking on my file that I want for this year and taking it here, copying it, and then, going to my bulletin board, editing it, and then making it a active link. So that's how you go and manipulate your bulletin board. I figured we could do all three of those since those are pretty easy and short. So again, that was your documents, gallery, and bulletin board. If you guys have any questions, feel free to call us in the communications department. Thank you so much.